करतले. हय
ल्हानपणापासून संघाचो स्वयंसेवक आसा.
बरोबर.
म्हणजे म्हाका खबरय ना हांव केन्ना वचपाक लागलो संघाच्या शाखेन ते. आनी तेन्नाच्यान जो RSS संघ म्हाका खबर आसा तो आमचो डॉक्टर हेडगेवार हांणी स्थापन केल्लो आनी नागपूरचो संघ आसा. त्यामुळे आमी त्याच संघान आसात. वचप शाखेर वचप संघ आनी वेगळो आसना अशें म्हाका दिसता. आत्ता जे तुमच्या तकलेन जो विशय आसा तो म्हाका कितें दिसता की इट इज अ टेम्पररी फेज. सगळ्या स्वयंसेवकांकय दुख्ख जाल्लें आसा. म्हणजे कोण हेवटेन आसा की तेवटेन आसा इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ दॅट सगळे स्वयंसेवक आसात. सगळ्यांक दुख्ख जाल्लें आसा आनी म्हणून ही टेम्पररी जी फेज आसा वी वील टायर्ड ओवर दॅट.
Mr. Vellinkar's criticism of the BJP, at least that you should respond to.
Yeah.
He has made very severe charges about the entire cabinet, and he also called BJP MLAs asuras.
I don't.
He did, sir.
Yeah,
He did.
on record. Yeah.
I told you
That criticism
we
can be
will tide
responded.
over. This is the transitional phase. There are some.
No, but he has said this before, even before this development. He has been saying it for the last 6 months.
My response to it is like this. This is there may be some misunderstandings between either this way or that way. That is the reason why there is some noise is there.
There is no merit in the argument.
Turmoil.
And
There is no merit in his argument.
because of this noise, and we feel that something is happening.
But
We will tide over that.
But is he right in he taking a
merit in his
stand?
argument.
Because he has taken
I
a
don't
stand.
want to comment on that. I don't know.